Yeah, okay, mate. So sorry for late reply. You did send this at 5:34 a.m. I was actually up late last night, so I don't know if you'll still be in this or not. But yeah, we'll look at it anyway. You're looking for 300 million change as target. I've got that. I've got this chart on my other screen here that I'm looking at, but I just wanted to put this on here on TradingView. It seems to be pretty much the same, both at 23 cent now. Looks to be fairly similar volume, but this looks strong. You said yesterday down to 15 cent. It just didn't. Well, it was in the 15 cent range. So you sent this at 534. Yeah, 534. So you sent this around here, around that line there. So the bottom had already been in. It nearly got to the 15 cent. Or it did get into the 15 cent down here, but it never came back down and continued to go higher. You know, very strong. The fact it held. These patterns do like to run and go higher. Actually, look at the pressure cooker that came down here that broke up as well. If we're actually looking at this, you know, there's some sort of a giant head and shoulders pattern. You know, here's your shoulder, your head, your shoulder. That we're just sitting here right now. Could this, you know, get a powerful move coming off this? Your $300 million market cap target. It's $231 million market cap right now. You know, so you have to kind of admire the base a little bit. It's definitely a nice structure. This is also on the 4-hour. This is a blueprint for success pattern here that you can see the white 100 coiling underneath price. Sometimes this can give, you know, decent powerful moves to the upside. So definitely very interesting. Yeah, the RSI is looking pretty strong. There is no, I need to go back a time frame because it's such a new coin. I just want to look at the sentiment tool for a minute. So you can see here, I need to go back to other time frames as well, but you can see here obviously it was bearish coming in through here, and we got the big drop coming out of it. And as the sentiment rose again here, it started to rise here pretty fast, pretty sharp. Even here you could tell that it was rising. I may need to drop the level of this sentiment because obviously it didn't flip green until way up here. So I might be on extreme, you know, I'm on extreme levels here on the sentiment. I'll even go back to 200. Pressed the wrong thing. I'll go back to 100 from 200 just to see. But yeah, you can see the sharp rise there, and from this sharp rise up into here, somewhere in here, it started to flash that buy and move higher. Of course, ideally, you want this to stay green here. So you know, maybe this is just about to start rising and pushing up again. But you know, there is a little bit of weakness into this pattern. But maybe this needs to break out again. Just saying that as well. You know, you can actually see the volumes drop down there as well a little bit, but maybe that's what it needs here. Maybe it needs a volume breakout. Maybe this was the pullback, and now we're possibly in the process of getting the volume breakout because price is right into a major resistance point. You know, you were right to be looking at it yesterday. It's up 16% today. You know, I was posting yesterday that fart coin, not fart dust, but fart coin was one of the strongest coins in the market yesterday, and it ended up bouncing like 50% or something like that. Well, from where I posted, it still went about 36% or whatever. So that was kind of a good indication that yeah, maybe these fart coins are going to continue to go higher. Truth is, this looks pretty strong. The weekly at this point is, I don't want to say struggling, but you know, this looks strong and it looks like it does want to break out, but you know, you have to watch this resistance point very carefully. I mean, your target of 300 market cap does look pretty good. It's actually up at $240 million market cap now, so it's up $8 million market cap while I'm making this video. It's up 16% on the day. So of course I'm late to get onto this video for you, but you know, the dip down there today after that reversal yesterday, they dipped down, the flip green again. That was the buy. The 3-day chart here looks very good. Like you know, I know it's up a lot, but you kind of have to like this structure here. I just want to point out there back here. See the way this one rejected. I mean, you got the three of these. You got the green one, the rejection, then the green one negating the bearish candle. This is a similar type of setup. This was the red drop back down. Yes, there's a wick on it, but and now we're moving up to negate the red candle. The next candle here went up again, kind of implying that there's a possibility this could go again tomorrow, as long as, you know, we kind of hold this strength. You know, there is no real rejection here yet. You can see then it rejected and then it got a pullback. Similar here, right? It moved, it got this bullish candle here negating this one. It got the move up, but it never had a rejection until the red candle where it got the bearish stop hunt, and then you got the bearish stop hunt which negated, well, it pushed down, then the bearish action came in. We don't have any rejection here yet, kind of implying that there could be continued upside in this. So yeah, nice work on this. It was a good call to get onto this. Hopefully you got into it, but you're on the right track anyway. You know, it was a very nice move, up another 16% today. Anyway, mate, yeah, I hope you're well.